Personally, as the host of this General Assembly, I'd like to thank every single national society that came here, gave their invaluable additions and comments, and made this General Assembly a really pleasant one.
We've had so many fruitful conversations, and it's lovely to get the National Society views on where we want to go in the future.
And also we have a lot of new international associate members and one real member, the Georgian Society. So welcome to them too.
This facilitates quite a few measures that we need to undertake to bring maximum impact for everybody in Perio. That includes guidelines, that includes new training pathways, and that includes international mobility for researchers. And lastly, a new strategy for the EFP, how to deal with the challenges of the years to come.